Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry at Mad X Stitcher, and it's time for another Crochet Society box. So this one I think is like all about the neon, and I love the front of it. The pattern is so cool. It's like proper 80s style to me. I think only the, oh no, we've got a couple of bits. So the lips here, they are metallic, and so is the arrow up here as well. Everything else looks like it's shining because it's kind of neon style. But yeah, should we have a look inside? This is box 35. So I'd had planned to get to 36 and see where it was going, and they've recently announced that they are changing up how the subscription works, and the time between boxes as well. So actually we're going to start saving some money a bit, because it's going to be every other month and not every month, which means we do also have time to work on the projects in the boxes. So yeah, really looking forward to seeing how it develops. Let's get this open. It says crochet is cool, and I will tell you now, crochet is most definitely cool. I have seen so many new people crocheting that I definitely agree with this statement. So let's open up. We've got minty green. What do we have? Yeah, 2 big balls of yarn in this month's box. And they do kind of match the colours as well. So yeah, let's have a look, see what else we've got. So they are Luminous DK. They're quite big balls. They're only 100 grams, but they feel like there's a lot there. So there's no colour name as such. It's just a number that says 1249. And then this one is 237. I don't think they have a colour, no. So we have a pink and a purple. Let's pop them to one side. And then we have all our goodies in here as well. So let's get those out. What is that? Oh, I think that's a Tunisian crochet hook rather than a standard crochet hook. There isn't a standard crochet hook this month. Oh! Let's have a look, see what we've got. We've got the booklet there as well. We've got different stitch counter. We've got our stitch marker. Yeah, I think it is just this one. It's in a little bag, which is quite nice. It's got a little drawstring at the top. I don't think it needs the drawstring though, to be honest. It's not a very big opening, so it's a 6mm, and it is a crochet. It's a very long crochet hook, which is a Tunisian crochet hook. Yeah. So let's, and it matches the box because it's purple. So let's see what sort of patterns we've got. Maybe they are Tunisian crochet patterns instead of normal standard crochet patterns. Just tightening the knots. I don't want it to get lost in the bag. So yeah, got a little bag. It's quite sweet. I like the fact that the fabric actually matches the box, which I think is really cool. We have a stitch counter. Ah, that's so clever. So it's got a shooting star on it, and then underneath it's also got pins in the back, so you can pin it. It's got 2 little dials that you spin to change the number, so whatever row or stitch count you are on. This one's a little bit stiff. That's really cool. We have a matching sew on patch, which says crochet is cool, and it's like this giant love heart, which is just so cute. And then the stitch marker is the lightning bolt arrow, which I think is really clever. Yeah. So let's have a look then at our patterns. We have the guides on the back, the conversion charts. And then on the front, this looks like that's a normal crochet pattern. We've got a little beanie with a big bobble on top. So let's have a look. Okay, it says, welcome to your Neon Lights Crochet Society box. Your box this month is inspired by the enticing glow of neon lights. I know you will absolutely love these illuminating patterns from the most electric designers in crochet, and I can't wait for you to light up with crochet joy. This month's box is positively glowing. Okay. So we have the gorgeous glowing hat on the front, Argon shawl, and then Neon Radiance Runner. So those are our 3 patterns for this month. We also have tea and chat with Tony from TL Yarn Crafts, a what's in the box page, and then a your guide to Tunisian crochet page. So Tony Lipsy, TL Yarn Crochet. Oh no, TL Yarn Crafts. We have the gorgeous glow hat, which is by Tony Lipsy. It's got this nice sort of checkerboard sort of pattern with the stripes in there. And then we've got everything in the box. Just look at those colours, pink and purple. Just so nice together. Yeah, so it says, keep your new Tunisian crochet hook safe and sound with this handy hook holder. The drawstring opening means you will always have your Tunisian hook to hand. Okay, we have Radiance Runner by Victoria Barrett, who is in the stitch with Vix. There's a lot of texture going on there actually. I quite like that. We'll have to have a look at that in a bit more detail. Oh, it is Tunisian crochet. Oh, that'll be fun to try. I've been meaning to have a go at Tunisian crochet, so I think I will definitely be doing that runner. Something different for me to try. Oh, and there's a guide in here as well on how to do some of the stitches, which is good. There's a good few pages on that. And then the next one we have is Argon Triangle Scarf, which is this one. It's got some bobbles going on in there as well, which is quite nice. I like how they've used the 2 different colours and blocked it. So that is by Heather C. Gibbs, who is kcaco.uk. And it's sort of a half and half scarf. Yeah. Okay, we then have the Your Makes page. We've got a narwhal, we've got some makes with the Yeti, there's the moth or butterfly, little bear, bobble hat, some cute little sheepy little booties, and then a pair of socks and a bag. These are some really lovely makes. I keep forgetting about this box actually, the Berger de France box. Because I think the booties is a pattern from that box, so I'll have to double check. So they would be really cute to work up. Oh, now that is different. That's very different. Next month's box is like a carousel. It says limited edition, expand your collection. It doesn't say that that's the next box, but it looks like it might be. Look at that. I really like that. Now I'm really hoping that there is a pattern in there to make a horse. So yeah, that is our booklet with all our patterns in. Let's get this all back in the box. I think that's everything. The hat, that's all fallen off now. That is everything for box 35. This is far too heavy to try and place higher up, but yeah, I'm actually quite impressed that it is something different and a different style of crochet for us as well. I think I'm definitely going to have a go at that runner. That might be my squirrel project for May. Yeah. As always, I'm not endorsed, affiliated or sponsored or anything from the company. I just buy the subscription and like to post my reaction to opening the box each month. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and yeah, looking forward to next month now because I love the look of that box. I'm about to go and get my Tunisian hook on, and yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Remember, there are other boxes out there. It's not just Crochet Society that is available. There is also Curate, there is Knit Crate, there are geeky boxes, there are papercraft boxes. There are all different types of things out there for whatever you are interested in. So yeah, I'll see you all again next month. Bye!